Welcome to this tutorial on how to install apps in your Shopbase store. Installing apps is a great way to extend the functionality of your store and improve the shopping experience for your customers. To get started, log into your Shopbase account and navigate to the Apps section. Here you will find a list of available apps that you can install in your store. Browse through the list and click on the app you want to install. Each app has its own description and instructions on how to install and use it. Read through the description and instructions carefully before proceeding with the installation. Once you have selected the app you want to install, click on the Install button. You will be asked to confirm the installation and agree to the terms and conditions of the app. After confirming the installation, the app will be added to your store and you can start using it. Some apps may require additional setup or configuration, so be sure to follow the instructions provided by the app developer. When installing apps, it is essential to consider the compatibility and security of the app. Make sure the app is compatible with your store's theme and does not compromise the security of your store. It is also important to read reviews and check the ratings of the app before installing it. This will give you an idea of the app's performance and reliability. In addition to installing apps from the Shopbase Apps section, you can also install custom apps developed by third-party developers. To do this, you will need to obtain the app's API key and install the app manually. To do this, navigate to the Apps section and click on the Upload App button. Enter the API key and follow the instructions provided to complete the installation. After installing an app, be sure to test it to ensure it is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, you can contact the app developer or Shopbase support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily install apps in your Shopbase store and start using them to improve the shopping experience for your customers. Remember to always consider the compatibility and security of the app and read reviews before installing it.